If you're planning to visit Dumaguete from Davao City by land trip, then this video is for you. Cebu Pacific used to have a direct flight from Davao to Dumaguete but ngayon wala na. The fastest option to go to Dumaguete from Davao City is by taking a flight to Cebu and another flight to Dumaguete. Once in Cebu, you can also take a 5-hour ferry to Dumaguete via Tagbilaran. Now, if you are an adventurer and you want to do a land trip from Davao to Dumaguete, you can take the Manila-bound Ceres Transport bus from Ecoland Terminal. Once a day ang biyahe and it departs at around 5:30 a.m. The regular full fare is around 3,100 pesos including the ferry fare. Yung travel time naman is around 27 hours. If you miss the Ceres Transport bus, pwede kang mag-cutting trips just like I did. First, sakay ka ng bus to CDO, preferably yung non-stop para 6 hours lang yung biyahe. 875 pesos pala ang fare for non-stop bus. When you arrive in Agora Terminal, sakay ka ng jeep and transfer to Bulua Terminal. So magkaiba yung terminal ng galing Davao, tapos yung terminal naman na papunta sa Dipolog. So still in CDO lang naman. So from Agora to Bulua Terminal. From there, take a Dipolog-bound rural bus and alight in Pulo bus stop sa Dapitan. Nasa 700 pesos ang pamasahe. Tapos sakay ka ng tricycle to Dapitan Port and take a ferry to Dumaguete. Parang complicated yung process pero it's very straightforward. Di ka masaag bisan first timer ka pa. Check the link in the description para sa ferry schedule and fare from Dapitan to Dumaguete. If you take this option, I highly recommend na mag-stop ka somewhere in Ozamis or Oroquieta and spend the night there para hindi exhausting yung journey mo. If nagtitipid ka, I suggest sa Ozamis ka mag-spend ng gabi. Maraming cheap accommodations doon. If di naman issue ang price ng hotel, stay sa Oroquieta para mas malapit na lang yung biyahe mo to Dapitan the next day. Sa case ko, I had multiple stops kasi meron din akong mga kailangan i-shoot na mga videos. I had overnight stay in CDO. Ozames. Tapos, Dapitan. If may time ka, pwede mo rin gayahin yung ginawa ko. It's a good way to explore Misamis and Zamboanga del Norte. Anyway, from Dumaguete, pwede ka na rin magsikihor, Oslob, Bacolod, Iloilo, or even Cebu City. Relatively malapit na lang yung mga yon, so you can easily explore them. Yun lang for now. Until next vlog, amping!